The full cowl expresses Kawasaki's Sagomib style with dual LED headlights. This Kawasaki motorcycle has high performance and simplicity. Equipped with a large diameter front fork of 41 mm. Of course, this provides better stability. In addition, this motorcycle is very popular because of its affordable price. ABS and helmet lock are standard equipment. Furthermore, the ETC 2.0 car unit, optional, can be stored under the seat. For your knowledge, motolovers, this motorcycle was formerly a scaled-down version of the Ninja 650. However, as of the 2018 model, it is constructed with the same basic body parts as the Ninja 250, which also underwent modifications at the same time, such as a steel trellis frame that significantly reduced weight. The rear tire is one size wider than the front tire of the Ninja 400, which has radial tires instead of bias tires like the Ninja 250. This meter combines a monochrome LCD panel with a pointer-style tachometer. The 2023 model will comply with new emissions regulations, while the 2024 model will see changes in color and graphics. The Ninja 400 is equipped with a 398 cubic centimeters inline twin-cylinder engine. Its easy-to-handle power, excellent ergonomics, and best-in-class performance make it ideal for novice riders and offers a smooth, easy-to-handle ride that also appeals to experienced riders. Aggressive styling with a low seat height and LED headlight make the Ninja 400 an ideal choice for riders who want to try sport riding. The KRT version comes in a striking lime green x ebony color combination, adding to the visual appeal of the bike. The updated graphics also give it a sportier and more modern look. With a dual front disc brake system and radial mount monoblock calipers, the Ninja 400 offers strong and responsive braking power, enhancing confidence when riding on the track or on the road. Overall, the Kawasaki Ninja 400 KRT edition combines high performance, aggressive design, and modern features, making it an attractive choice for sports motorcycle enthusiasts in the middle class.